I just one-shotted a Jira ticket with Claude Code, and not only did it work, it also matched my Figma designs exactly. To show this off, imagine I'm a developer working on this to-do list app. And let's say my product manager specs out a new feature in a Jira ticket. They want to add priority labels to each to-do item: low, medium, and high. And the Jira ticket links out to Figma designs that show exactly what this should look like, including some options for filtering and sorting. Now, normally I might sit down and build this myself, but let me show you how I can get Claude Code to read the Jira ticket, inspect the designs, and write the code in just a couple minutes. All I need to do is open Claude Code, tell it the ID of the Jira ticket, and paste in the link to one of Bitovi's magic prompts. This is the secret sauce. More on these later. Now let's watch as Claude starts working. First thing it does is call out to Jira to get the ticket info. It reads the ticket and figures out what to build. Then it parses out the Figma links and looks at each design to figure out what the new feature should look like. Once it understands the requirements and designs, it's ready to start implementing. And when Claude's done, we can test out the new feature and, if necessary, ask it to fix any issues. So all we had to do was tell it the ID of the Jira ticket, paste in a link to a prompt, and within a few minutes, we have a working feature. So that's the basic workflow. Now let's dive into exactly how it works. We'll start with the Jira ticket because how you write it directly affects what Claude produces. Here's the ticket I used. The requirements are written in a Gherkin format using given, when, then language. The other important thing, the Figma designs are embedded right in the ticket description. In Figma, you can right-click on any frame and copy a direct link to just that frame. The more you can point Claude at exactly the right part of the design, the better the output tends to be. So Jira is looking good. Now over to Figma. There's one thing that you can't skip here. Down at the bottom of the screen, there's a toggle for dev mode. This is what allows developer tools like Claude to access information about your designs. In order for Claude to read your designs, you need to have an account with access to dev mode. If you can toggle this on, you're good to go. Otherwise, you'll need to upgrade your account. Enabling dev mode also turns on an MCP server for Figma. MCP is at the heart of this entire workflow, so let's take a second to talk about it. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is how AI agents like Claude can easily talk to external services like Jira or Figma. Using MCP, Claude can ask Jira for a specific ticket or Figma for information about what a design looks like. Each third-party service has a set of tools that Claude can use to accomplish its task. There are actually a couple options for configuring MCP in Claude Code, but the most straightforward is to create a .mcp.json file at the root of your project. Here's what it looks like with both the Figma and Atlassian MCP servers configured. We just need to include the URL to the MCP server along with the descriptive name, and you can find all of these online. You can also add servers with a terminal command, but the .mcp.json approach is better for teams because it lives in the repo and everyone gets the same config automatically. Now, once that file is there, open Claude Code and type /mcp, and it walks you through authenticating with each service. It opens in the browser, same as a normal login, and then after that, Claude has access to both and stays connected across sessions. Now that Claude is connected to Jira and Figma, the final piece is that magic prompt that we discussed earlier. Now, Bitovi has an entire repository of battle-tested prompts on GitHub that you can just paste into the chat window for Claude to read. In this case, there's a prompt in the writing code folder called generate feature, and this prompt walks the agent through this workflow. Reading the Jira ticket, inspecting the designs, understanding the codebase, and finally implementing the feature pixel perfect with minimal changes to the codebase. And that's exactly the research we've been doing at Bitovi. We work with AI agents across real teams, figure out what actually works, and put it into prompts anyone can use. If you want to bring this into your own team's workflow, the setup, the prompt engineering, structuring your Jira tickets so AI can actually use them, check the link in the description. But that's going to do it for me. Thanks for watching and keep innovating.